I am Jamaican, born and raised. I'm a Kingston girl, and as my grandmother would say, I was born under the clock. That means I am a true Kingstonian. I wanted to show Kelly the Jamaica that's not seen on glitzy TV or when you're flipping through your glossy magazine. Sure, our beaches are great, but Jamaica is more than what you see in the ads, and you have to come with an open heart for travel adventure and a willingness to roam off the compound from your all-inclusive hotel. Hi everyone, this is Diana. As some of you may know, I am from Jamaica. Now, Halloween isn't really a typical Jamaican celebration or a holiday, but in the last recent years, it has become popular in certain sections, in particular Kingston and Montego Bay, where we have quite a burgeoning expat community, and these people have brought their Halloween traditions with them. But like I said, it's not typically Jamaican. But what we do have, we have things that go bump in the night that we call Duppies. We also have Old Hag. We also have Rolling Calf, and we have River Mama. All right, so come along with me as I take you on a spooky Jamaican horror Halloween ride. Let's go, if you dare. All right, first up are Duppies. Now, we believe that Duppies are these malevolent spirits, these restless spirits that normally wreak havoc on the living. You'll hear stories of, haunted plantations, such as, Rose Hall, where Annie Palmer used to live. Anywhere that there used to be an old plantation, and Jamaica, being a former British colony, has many plantations and slaves that died, quite horrible deaths. There's so many stories from my childhood. Even my grandmother, Miss Ruby, big up Miss Ruby in heaven, she had the gift of seeing Duppy. So I grew up with her, just like standing up and cursing. Like, she would just enter the room and she's like, "What you doing inside here? Get out!" And a string of bad words or curse words would follow. So Duppies are synonymous. It's just ghost stories. The Rolling Calf. If you grew up in the country in Jamaica, you would know about the Rolling Calf. I didn't grow up in the country, but I would spend some nights up there visiting cousins, and I always thought it was just this tale that adults will tell children just to not go outside, until a cousin of mine swear dead up and down that he saw a rolling calf one night. And it's described as having it's a large male cow with fiery eyes, and if you run into a rolling calf in the middle of the night, we were told don't run, or if you do run, go to a crossroads because they don't like that, or throw things that the rolling calf is compelled to stop and count. So I guess you walk with a bag of rice. I don't know. You walk with a bag of rice and see what happens if the rolling calf will stop. But yeah, if you grew up in the country, you definitely would know about rolling calf stories. Now, the next stop along our spooky Jamaican Halloween series is the Old Hag. Now, Old Hag is a witch that sheds her skin and takes the form of an owl, and she's particularly dangerous to babies. To get rid of an Old Hag, you have to find her skin. I don't know how that's going to happen, but you find her skin and put salt and pepper in it, and this will get rid of the Old Hag. As we say in Jamaica, Jack Mandora, me not choose one. I'm not choosing none. I always feel that I missed out on a really cool childhood because I didn't grow up in the country. Another legend that we have heard about as children growing up is River Mama or Mami Wata. And these would be freshwater mermaids that would be in the country. And we were told, listen, do not go to the river by yourself because Mami Wata will be there, or River Mama would be there waiting for you to take you to the bottom of the river to a watery grave. Now, as a student of African culture, we have done our research and we've seen that Mami Wata, River Muma is a transference from the African continent where they worshipped these water spirits to appease them for a good harvest or good crops. How this translated into something that is a scary effigy, I don't know, but I think a lot of these things is just to make sure that children are safe. Keep them inside the house. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this Halloween, Jamaican Halloween special. Like I said, we really don't mess with Halloween, but we do have our fair shares of things that go bump in the night.